Hey guys, so today we're at the Cailler hotel and we're just like here and we're gonna be like seeing how chocolate's made here at Cailler. And you might have heard of this chocolate before. If you haven't, well, you're gonna see in a few seconds. Here, as you see it says Cailler and then it's mixing chocolate. So yeah, this is kind of like the factory area. As you can see, they're making chocolate. They'll be making more chocolate and more into my video. So keep watching my video and welcome back to my channel at the Adventure Unicorn. And you might be wondering, factory area? Well, isn't this whole place a factory? No, there's also a hotel here and a thermal bath. It's amazing. And this is like the 1900s, that's how Cailler was. And then this 1925, how Cailler was. So Cailler is actually very, very old. And then this is 1950. And then, as you can see here, there are quite a few like designs. And then there's also, 1975. So Cailler is quite old. Like right now it's 2024. Like wow. And these are the places. Cocoa, which is the main thing that's used to make chocolate, is imported from. But if you want to learn more about chocolate, check out my Lint video because it has more facts and information. See the molds, like how the people make chocolate. So these are like the molds and stuff, and here is like how much like sugar and cocoa powder and like other stuff they use to make specific chocolate. So this is like, I don't remember what chocolate this is, but this is how much sugar they use. That's how much milk, cocoa powder and cocoa butter they use. So it's super cool, and you can see it for different ones. This is for milk chocolate, and this one is for white chocolate. As you can see, there's no cocoa powder, there's just cocoa butter, and here there's dark chocolate, and there's so much more cocoa powder and less milk. So, like here, 365 days, it like shows you how much like liters there's like for fresh milk a month, and like how much chocolate's made and stuff like that. And here he's like, this dude's like making like some more chocolate, and then so what he's gonna do here is first he's gonna do this with the chocolate, and then he's gonna like pour the other colored chocolate on top of it, and then it'll end up looking something like these. And it's super cool, and there's like a chocolate waterfall behind him, and it's so cool. Would you like to be a person who works in this chocolate factory? Comment it down in the comments below. And here they're making like more chocolate. As you can see, this is like here, and here they're like drying it off because it's gonna be like really hot. Well, they're not like drying it off, but like, you know how chocolates like gets melted if it's really warm. They're like cooling it off here. And over here there's like the different flavors of chocolate. Here's white chocolate, this is milk chocolate, and there's dark chocolate. Like in the Lindt factory here, we're not allowed to try it, but like we're just allowed to watch. As you can see behind the pipes, they've like made stuff, so like chocolate. So yeah. See that the machine's wrapping the chocolates, so you can see the paper, and the chocolates are probably coming somewhere from like under the machine, and then it's just like wrapping the chocolates, and I think it's a super cool process. So yeah. this is like the final chocolate product, and here there's like the white length chocolate, and we can like take one and try one if we want to, because it's gonna be freshly made. And it's a very cute exhibition, and it's like super cool. And over here, as you can see, there's like this chocolate making workshop, and then we can like make chocolate here. So yeah. And we didn't go here because they said we had to book this in advance, or else I would have really loved to go here. So yeah, in a sec you'll see lots of different chocolate molds. This is like the shapes that chocolates can be. Wait, 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! So these are like all the different shapes chocolates can be, from circles to rectangles to flowers. There's quite a lot of molds. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video here at the Cailler Hotel/Factory, and you guys have to visit here soon. So to my next video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification buttons for more of my upcoming videos. Thank you, bye, see you next time.